washed my hair the other day and was like, man, it just feel like it's flowing.
Oh.
I feel like a Maybelline cream.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's Maybelline.
Okay.
I think my grandma used Pantene. What it was? Ain't it was Pantene?
Pantene Pro V.
That's some hair products in it.
Yes.
Oh man, you got the see-through. Hey, okay then.
Oh my gosh.
You didn't have this last time.
Did I have parts in here? Okay, I think I have parts.
Yeah.
All right. Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna shampoo it, and then we just got to see.
Dude, you are led by the Spirit. Trust me. At the baby mama bendo. Why am I looking through this freaking plastic?
Cause that's what it's for. You don't have to. You don't have to.
No, I
Do
did.
what makes you comfortable.
It's all part of the aesthetic of the video. What is that? I don't even know what's going on over here. Where you seen that at? I ain't never seen it. That's what we going with. We might not even need to take another take. I got that one. Oh, okay. Not all that.
I mean,
Yeah, at the baby mama bendo. You don't want to start the music back?
Okay, so now that all of the shenanigans are over, we can go ahead and get started with the process. I am going to have to combine the locks in the back because I'm not sure if you can tell, but they are very thin and we don't want them to grow out thin that way because they would be easier or more prone to breakage. So there are 4 locks in the back. I'm going to combine 2 on both sides, and then ultimately he's going to have 2 locks in the back. But first, before we can even start the process of retwisting, we have to part his hair because, believe it or not, he actually did have parts in his locks, in his hair, but because he waited so long to come back, we have to redefine the parts. So that's what you see me doing here. I did put product on the hair. I would say use your favorite product, whatever you like the most. But I will also link the products that I use in the description box so that you can go check those out. Okay, so now that I have everything parted, I like to comb the new growth with a rat tail comb and then twist in a clockwise motion and also follow through the rest of the lock with my fingers to make sure that that lock is neat, and then I will secure it with a clip so that it doesn't move. When you have clients like this guy here, or maybe even yourself, if you know you need a retwist and you just wait and wait and wait months and months and months, then the ends of your hair are more likely than not going to be frizzy, fuzzy, you know, some of the hair coming out of the locks, depending on your lifestyle and what you do. So for him, the ends of his locks are frizzy, as you can tell, but that is why I go through the end of the lock as well to make sure that it's as neat as possible, because how we style the hair while it's wet determines how it's going to look when it dries. So this is basically the process that I'm doing, and I also have other lock videos on my channel, so if you want to go check those out, that will be cool. I retwisted my son's hair on here when he was 6 or 7, something like that, and I styled it and I retwisted. I actually started my bestie's locks, and that video is getting a lot of views, And I appreciate those of you that have returned from watching that video. I appreciate you for watching it and for liking it and for commenting on it and just taking the time out that you didn't have to take out to support me in your view. So thank you so much for that, and thank you for being here today. Okay, so I don't plan on talking through this whole video, but I do want to let you guys know that the style in the end is not recorded on camera. So you will see the end results of the completed style. However, you won't see how I achieved the style in this video. But if you are looking to achieve a similar style, or you want to see the process of how I did it, you can check out the video where I retwisted my son's hair, and that video does include me styling his hair in a similar style to what I ended up doing on his father's hair. So I will post that link in either the upper left hand corner or the upper right hand corner, so you can click that and check that out. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Please, if it is in your heart, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about the process, definitely leave a comment and I will get back to it as soon as I can. But once again, thanks so much for the support, and I will see you in my next video.
Okay.
My hair.
Listen, no, it's not that bad, right?
Oh, no, it's not. It ain't bad at all.
I'm the mama. Come on, get in there. I'm the mama. Don't he look like me? Come on. That's the daddy. That's the daddy. And this
Dope dad.
Oh.
Yeah.
How you feel about your hair besides the other?
A1, A1.